Hey there guys, here are some of my favourite stretches to help open up rounded shoulders and release tension in the thoracic spine. The first one is shoulder mobilisations with a mop handle or tea towel. Place hands apart and draw your arms overhead. If you find it too easy, bring the hands closer together on your mop handle or tea towel. Try not to overarch your back and play about with different movement directions for different types of stretches. The next one is using a foam roller to mobilise the thoracic spine. Pop the foam roller just below the shoulder blades and comfortably place your bottom on the floor. Start by rounding your back and rolling up and down the roller. Other variables include opening up the upper back over the roller whilst keeping your bottom on the floor, or alternatively reach the arms overhead and actively push your chest open, and making sure that you breathe throughout all of these stretches. This next one is one of my favourites, using a trigger release point ball. It isn't the most comfortable of mobilisations, so only do as much as you can withstand. This will help mobilise your rotator cuff, as well as help easing any niggly shoulder tensions that you may be feeling. Start off with placing the ball in the dip between your scapula and your latissimus dorsi, just above the armpit. Then, laying on your side, placing the ball in that point that we just spoke about. Start by placing your elbow on the floor and wave your forearm forwards and backwards. If this is too much, just hold and take deep breaths into the position. If you want to add mobilisation, wave your forearm into different directions. Using a chair, come down onto your knees and place your elbows near the edge of the seat. Keep your hands in a right angle position above your head and maintain a neutral spine throughout. Using your breath here, gently press down into your shoulders whilst opening up the chest towards the floor. Remember guys, try not to arch your back in this one and just breathe throughout the stretch, easing off when you need to. The cat stretch. Using a yoga block, place the palms together and the wrists down onto your yoga block. Ensure that your knees are in line with your bottom. Like with the chair, take deep breaths and gently press your chest down towards the floor. Try and look towards your hands throughout this entire stretch. Our last stretch today, guys, is for the rhomboids. Placing your feet on the floor slightly apart, hinge at the hips and come forwards into a forward fold. Cuddle the arms around the back of your legs whilst maintaining a small bend in the knees. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, round the spine up towards the ceiling. Hold for as long or as little as you like. We hope that you guys found these stretches useful. Let us know how you get on in the comments below. Take care.